Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about two fundamental concepts of Configuration Manager, which are fundamentals of security and fundamentals of role-based administration. First, let's see about fundamentals of security for Configuration Manager. Security for Configuration Manager consists of the following layers: Windows OS and network security, network infrastructure, SMS provider and site database permission. Windows OS and network security. The first layer is provided by Windows security features for both the OS and the network. This layer includes the following components: file sharing to transfer files between Configuration Manager components, access control lists (UCLs) to help secure files and registry keys, Internet Protocol Security (IPsec) to help secure communications, group policy to set security policy. Next is network infrastructure. Network security components, like firewalls and intrusion detection, help provide defense for the whole environment. Certificates issued by industry standard public key infrastructure, key implementations help provide authentication, signing, and encryption. The next layer of security is based on access to the SMS provider. The SMS provider is a Configuration Manager component that grants a user access to query the site database for information. The SMS provider primarily exposes access through Windows Management Instrumentation (MI), but also a REST API called the Administration Service. The final layer of security is based on permissions to objects in the site database. By default, the local system account and the user account that you use to install Configuration Manager can administer all objects in the site database. Grant and restrict permissions to other administrative users in the Configuration Manager console by using role-based administration. Now we can see about the fundamentals of role-based administration. Configuration Manager uses role-based administration to help secure objects like collections, deployments, and sites. This administration model centrally defines and manages hierarchy-wide security access settings for all sites and site settings. An administrator assigns security roles to administrative users and group permissions. The permissions are connected to different Configuration Manager object types, for example, to create or change client settings. Security scopes include specific instances of objects that an administrative user is responsible to manage. For example, an application that installs the Configuration Manager console. The combination of security roles, security scopes, and collections define the objects that an administrative user can view and manage. Configuration Manager installs some default security roles for typical management tasks. Create your own security roles to support your specific business requirements. Now we have covered the two fundamental concepts of the Configuration Manager. Thank you for listening.